Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the search icon in the top section of your screen. Now in the search bar, type in the username of the person that you wanna block. Click on the profile of that person. Then click on the three horizontal dots and tap on block option. And if you're sure, click on the block option once again. And that is how you can block someone on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.